There's a big line getting into Canada today. See over there where it says open and close? That's the entrance to Canada. And this has been a steady line of cars. You got 2 helicopters over there today. I just still didn't go on one. Anyway, there's been a steady line of cars here for a couple hours trying to get into Canada. That's how close we are. Right there it is. All right. The Niagara River. The falls are over there. See if we can get the right view of them. Crazy, huh? This is the top of the falls here. This is where I could go over in a barrel, see? Out there. Up and over. Here we go. There's that helicopter again. There's where we go over in a barrel.
Oh my God, look at the edge.
Woo! Hope you can see. It's sunny out here for me. Oh. Going right over the edge. There we go.
The edge over there?
Yes.
Awesome, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at the other side. Oh my God.
Alright, we're going to go down here a little more. Look, we can go right over here. Oh. Ooh. Take a picture of us there, huh?
There's other falls across.
There's the boat.
Down there?
Yeah.
Oh, I see it.
Wow. Niagara Falls. Slowly I turn and step by step. What are you looking at? Man.
Look over there. Everybody's sitting on the native and this.
Yeah. We made it. Came for a hamburger and enjoyed the falls.
Look how powerful.
Yeah, it's amazing. Amazing. One of the 7 wonders of the world. That's Canada over there, right?
Okay, there's another boat. They all have their raincoats on.
Yeah.
And
Where do they sell the barrels at? Where's my barrel? I can't see too good with the glare on the screen here.
Yeah, I don't know if I have anything. Really weird.
Nice. I've never been this close to them. I've been to the Canadian side already, but I didn't get this close. There's that darn helicopter again.
Oh,
They ain't going. Amazing views. Look, it's Marlo Thomas.
oh man, look at this.
That girl. Look at me with that thing. It's that girl. Turn it this way. Yeah, that girl. I feel like I'm falling in. Whoa.
What do you see?
Right over.
What do you see in there?
Waterfall. Waterfalls, it tells you. Put the camera in there. Can you see in there?
I can't tell.
Maybe. Woo! Maybe. Hard Rock Cafe. Niagara Falls, USA. What's that? Oh, I have to get the tag on. It's okay, it's new. And in the end, the love you gave is equal to the love you made. How'd you like the view of the falls, huh? That was pretty good. I don't know if you could hear much of what I said over there, but that's the closest I ever was. I was on the Canadian side when I was a teenager, and it was kind of far away, but there, could have really got out into there if you wanted to. You've seen it. Alright, it's hot out there. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll show you more things if we get into anything. Other than that, it was a fun trip. Oh yeah, might get some wings tomorrow. From Buffalo. Buffalo wings in Buffalo. Woo!